So I took my bike down to Hondabigwing to get some warranty work done due to engine vibration, excessive engine vibration throughout the handlebars, foot pegs, and a knocking noise. And this is what they think is going to solve the problem. Yeah, you'll kind of see why I'm a little teed off at what they think I was going to agree to and take the bike home, thinking that that's going to fix excessive vibration from the engine and knocking noise. Not that stupid, Honda. Anyway, watch to the end, see what they did, and guess what? Well, you'll see. Oh, and Honda Trasalp owners, if you watch this video, please make a comment. I want to know, I'm kind of curious, does yours vibrate smooth as silk? Or is it like mine with a bad vibration? Watched the video yesterday, the guy said he was going down the highway calling it the greatest touring bike ever made, smooth as silk. Let me know one way or another, I'd be interested to know. Good morning everybody, how you doing? Just here to give you an update on my 2023 Honda Trasalp 750. Hey, but first, hey, look at my sweet corn. Getting bigger and bigger. But anyway, that's not what I'm here to talk about. Yeah, the bad vibrations from the Trasalp 750. As you know, I dropped it off at Hondabigwing, gave them the keys, said, here it is, don't call me until it's fixed. Well, now it's been 7, 8, 9 days, and I just got a call from Hondabigwing. They told me to come down and check it out. Well, I asked them, is it fixed 100%? They said, well, no, we want you to ride it. That means, I don't know what that means. My instructions were, don't call me unless it's fixed. Not come down and test it out, see if it's to my satisfaction. As I explained in the last video, I want it like the bike I test drove. I want it like the other Honda Trasalp that the owners have, you know, wherever, here in Thailand, Europe, United States, wherever. No vibration, no buzzing, no shaking, no knocking. So I'm off to Hondabigwing this morning to check it out. I've got my fingers crossed, and I'll take you guys along. Let's see if it is the way it should be. Okay, I'm back at Hondabigwing. Gonna go check out and see if they got the bad vibrations and the knocking fix. I've got my fingers crossed. I'm gonna go in and talk to them, sit down and find out what they did to the bike first before I test drive it. And I'll let you know. You'll know as soon as I know. Oh my Buddha, test drive it. Still vibrates. I don't know. They put a new front tire on it. It vibrates at 4,000, 3,500, 4,000 and up. So let's say I'm going 120 or 130 kilometers an hour going down the road. I put the clutch in. It's smooth as silk as soon as the RPMs go down to 0. If the wheel was unbalanced or the tire, you'd think there would still be vibration through the handlebars. But as soon as I get back on the gas and let the clutch out at that speed, the vibration instantly comes back again. I don't know. So it's going to stay here. I told them keep it and see if they can't get it fixed, but very disappointed. And they're going to keep my bike until it's completely fixed. It's there now. They can have it for another week, another 2 weeks, another 2 months. I don't care. Warranty, Honda. Do your job. Well, my suspicion is that there's probably a few other bikes out there with the same issue, so it'll cost Honda some money to fix it. All I'm asking is they make my bike like the other bikes. Not asking for a whole lot, am I? AP Honda Bigwing Thailand. We'll see what happens, but the way you tried to fix my bike this time, no, I'm not falling for that.